Remember this thing. We have around 500, 550, the beginning of the post Gupta era, that goes till around 750, around 50 साल आगे पीछे. From there you go to 1000, and from there you go to 1200. This much you remember. So this was our post Gupta era, in which what we have seen, initially you have lot of kings, then we have Harsha, and then again we have lot of kings. मुक्तपीड़ हो, या फिर यशोवर्मन हो, या फिर बाप्पा रावल हो, जो कुछ है. It is at this point of time you have here the Sindh, Arab invasion of Sindh. Once this part is going on in North India, in Deccan, what do you have? Chalukya. Which Chalukya? The Badami Chalukya, the early Chalukya. Pulakeshin second vagera, Kritivarman, Mangalesha, all those people. And parallel in South India we have Pallavas of Kanchipuram. Pallavas actually started इससे भी 300 साल पहले, but they were eclipsed by some rebellion, Kalabhra rebellion. They were not very prominent power, but we have seen कि दो चीजें थी which are important of Pallavas even before this era, in the Gupta era. First thing, that in the 3rd century they are the ones who have given the first ever known copper plate land grant. Land grant पहले देते हैं सातवाहन, बट हमें वो पता कैसे, फ्रॉम इंस्क्रिप्शंस ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ द केव. बट उसके बाद जो फेज आती है कॉपर प्लेट पे लैंड ग्रांट लिख के देना, that thing was started by Pallavas in the 3rd century, 4th century itself. That is in the early Pallava phase. The second thing about the early Pallavas is that their name appears in Samudragupta's Prashasti of Allahabad, Prayaga Prashasti, because there the dynasties of different parts of India are given, which he defeated one by one. So when Samudragupta went for Dakshin Digvijay, he had defeated the alliance of 10-11 kings led by Pallava named Vishnugopa. Vishnugopa was name of the Pallava king there. So these two things, copper plate land charter, and दूसरी बात विष्णुगोप, ये दो चीजें हैं इससे पहले वाले पल्लव, but they were very, otherwise they are not important. It is from महेंद्र वर्मन के era onwards only they become established power, जहां से उनको पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं. So it is this Pallavas. So Harsha, Pulakeshin and Narasimhavarman etc. are contemporary. This is all what we call as the post Gupta. After that era is gone, what we have is this entire timeline of the early medieval. In that also we make two parts. याद है आपको ये, है ना? So first part is this, where you have Palas in the northeast or east part of India, Gurja Pratihar in the west and north, and Rashtrakutas in Deccan. And all of them are fighting to capture Kannauj. In South India, the Pallavas are eclipsed by Cholas, the imperial Cholas. This era ends when we have the decline of Pratiharas, Palas and Rashtrakutas almost simultaneously, and here we have the invasion of Ghazni. Then Rashtrakutas are eclipsed. North India में Pratiharas are eclipsed. We have the beginning of very many Rajput clans. 36 बिरादरी जिसे कहा जाता है. We have many Rajput dynasties. यहीं पे you have Gahadwalas and Chauhans and Solankis and everybody coming up. In Deccan, after Rashtrakutas, what we have? Later Chalukyas of Kalyani. In South India, Cholas continued. Then here we have invasion by Ghori and establishment of Delhi Sultanate. So in north, यहाँ से लेके 1500 तक you have Delhi Sultanate. In Deccan, you have initially Yadav, Kakatiya, Hoysala, but then captured by Sultanate. इन साउथ इंडिया चोलास कंटिन्यू टिल 13th century. उसके बाद आगे विजयनगर है, बहमनी है, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. लेट अस कम टू दिस अर्ली मिडिवल टाइम मैप. नाउ इन दिस मैप you will be able to at least get half of the answer of the question, not completely but at least half. So अब मुझे बताइए, rise of Pratiharas under Raja Bhoj, rise and not the emergence, ठीक है, but फिर भी establishment of Pallava power under Mahendravarman first, of Chola power by Parantaka and Pal dynasty by Gopal. अब बताएं इसमें से सबसे पहले कौन होगा? पल्लवास, इतना तो क्लियर है. The moment you know 2 is the starting point, you have discarded B and D. Enough. अब आते हैं A और C में. 2 1 4 3 2 4 1 3. So चलो 2 and 3 are decided. The starting point is Pallava and ending point is Chola. अब आते हैं between Gopal and Gurja Pratihar. Who is the first one? Because he is the founder. He is the founder, he is not the star. But Bhoj is not the founder, वो प्रतिहारों को ऊपर ले आ रहा है बाद में, राइट? बस इतना लॉजिक से हो जाएगा. सो यू नो गोपाल अगर पहले है तो आंसर वुड बी सी.